going to our experiment, let me give you a brief explanation about filtration. What is filtration? Filtration is a process by which a solid particles in a liquid or gaseous fluids are removed by the use of filter medium that permits the liquid to pass through but retains the solid particles. So in the simple way, you can say filtration is a process by which a substance becomes more clearer and pure. Procedures. First, make sure to make a hole on the bottom of the bottle. You please ask for adult help because it may cause injuries to you. And then for the second one, put a layer of cotton bottles under the bottom of the bottles. Make sure to cover all of the bottom of the bottles, and then the next step is use a funnel to add a layer of sand. After a sand, don't forget to put a charcoal, and then on the top of the charcoal, please put a fire clay. Because the last part of our experiment can be very tricky, I suggest you to do it on the wet area on your house. Can you see? The water is become a little bit clearer than before.